In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you wanna use in this view on the top half of your screen and access it in the background like that. When you're ready, click on the icon of it at the top and select split screen from this pop-up. Now you need to tap on the second app and use both at the same time. Now, if you wanna go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe them, or you can keep one open by holding those three dots in the middle and dragging it all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. If you want to switch places of your apps while using them in split screen, you can also do that thanks to those three dots. This time though, click on them and tap on swap. Last but not least, my favorite feature. If you are using two apps combination, like for example Play Store and Chrome, a lot, you can always click on the same three dots and tap on Add Combination here. Then choose Add Automatically, close split screen, and look for this shortcut on your home screen. Now, when you click on it, both of your chosen apps will instantly open in split screen view. If you want to delete the shortcut, hold it and tap on Remove button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!